Muser is a system that brings students and mentors with projects together. Muser, in 2 minutes. Rounds have a defined start and end time, with steps for each part of the process. Automated reminder emails are sent at each step along the way. Mentors can create new projects and categorize them. They can also activate projects they previously created. Students can browse projects, filter to see exactly what they want, and favorite those that interest them. Then, they can submit applications by writing an essay. During the application review period, mentors will first participate in a blind review process. Here, they'll see only the applicant's essay. After that, they can fully review each application, including the student's profile information. They can make their final decisions to accept or decline each application. Every student will receive an email informing them of the status of each application they submitted. Administrators can customize their site's appearance with a logo and school colors. Site messages and email text can be customized. Dashboards and exportable reports give an overview of what's happening with the site. For more information or a free demo, visit the SRE.college website.